There is a $10 mistake that sounds so small that most people completely ignore it. But this one mistake can quietly cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Not because you picked the wrong ETF, not because you made bad investments, but because you delayed something that should have happened much earlier. By the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly what the $10 mistake is, why almost everyone makes it, and how to fix it in less than 5 minutes. In this video, you're going to learn the tiny investing mistake that keeps most people financially stuck for decades, how it destroys your compounding curve before it even starts, and how beginners can fix it instantly using simple ETFs inside a Fidelity account. The $10 mistake is not about losing $10. It is about waiting to invest until you feel ready. Most people wait because they think, I only have a little money. I should learn more first. I'll start when I can invest more. So they delay. They delay opening the account. They delay setting up automation. They delay their first contribution. And that delay is what quietly costs them their future curve. Waiting feels harmless. It feels responsible. It feels like planning. But investing does not reward planning. It rewards participation. The first $10 is not about money. It is about behavior. It is about creating the habit. It is about starting the compounding clock. The clock does not start when you invest a lot. It starts when you invest at all. Let's make this painfully simple. If you delay investing just 1 year, and you would have invested only $200 per month, that 1 year delay can easily cost you over $40,000 by retirement. Not because you lost money, because you lost time. 1 month turns into 3. 3 months turns into a year turns into 5. Most people do not fail by quitting, they fail by postponing. The most dangerous belief in investing is, I'll start once I can do it properly. You do not learn investing before starting, you learn it by starting. Beginners are the only group that can still protect their entire curve. Later, you can only repair it. Early, you can shape it. It shows up as watching videos but not opening the account, reading books but not investing, waiting for dips, waiting for better income, waiting for clarity. All of those are the same mistake: delay. Momentum is fragile at the beginning. You either build it or you postpone it out of existence. You do not need a better job to start investing. You need a better starting date. ETFs remove the need to pick winners. You do not need confidence. You only need consistency. Open a Fidelity brokerage account. Choose one broad market ETF. Schedule an automatic purchase. Even if it is $10, even if it is $20, the amount is irrelevant. The clock is not. If you rely on motivation, you will delay again. Automation prevents future delays. Once the clock is running, increasing your investments becomes easy. Starting becomes impossible again. You are already an investor. The $10 mistake is not about money, it is about time. And time is the only asset you cannot rebuild later. If you fix one thing in your investing life, fix the starting point. Not the ETF, not the allocation, not the strategy, your start date. Because the smallest investment you ever make is the one that unlocks every other investment after it.